Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word uncovered. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The investigation uncovered new evidence that led to the arrest of the suspect. Uncovered in this context means to reveal or expose something that was previously hidden or unknown, often resulting in new information or knowledge being brought to light. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.